My dear all friends, welcome to Basic Milon. Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, today I will show you how to solve your keyboard A button do not work. Dear friends, I will show you very easy way. First of all, you will click Windows bar or Start button. Then you will click Settings. Wait sometimes you will see ease of access, then click here. I will click here ease of access. This is display. You will see scroll bar. You scroll down, hold mouse, then scroll down, then you will see keyboard. I will click here. Dear friends, default condition you will see use the on screen keyboard show off. You will click then show on. I will click. This is on-screen keyboard. In this keyboard, you will typing any word. This is first attempt. You will try second attempt. I will close this file. Again, start button. You will see search. Now type OSK. Then you will see on-screen keyboard. Then double click here. Show this on-screen keyboard. Dear friends, today's episode is very short. Please subscribe this channel. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.